Guys, today we'll see how to convert image to Word document. So you can see over here, this is the image. So this image, you can see this is the .jpg format, and this image contains comparison between Perplexity AI versus ChatGPT. So now, guys, this image, this picture, we wanted to convert it to Word document. So how we'll do that? So in order to convert image to Word document, just open the Word. You can see here. Just try to open blank document. Now, guys, so this is the my image. Just drag and drop into the Word. Now you can see here, and from just go to files. Just first try to save as a PDF. So I'm gonna to save on my desktop. I can select as a PDF, and I can give a name image to Word document. Yeah, convert image to Word. So I'm gonna to save on desktop that I save as a PDF. If I try to open, so you can see this is the PDF successfully saved. You know, Bird has a feature that converts PDF to text. Okay, so now how can we do that? So now this time again we wanted to open a Bird. So let me open a Bird. Yeah, just try to open a Bird. Yeah, this time again a blank. And now guys, from go to file section, go to open and go to browse. And from guys here, just try to this can see the Bird will now convert your PDF into an editable Word document. So here you go. Yeah. So successfully that your image converted into the Word document like a just format. So if you want to add anything, you can add. So guys, this way you can convert image to Word document. So thanks for watching my video. Please do like subscribe my channel. Thank you.